Welcome to the Road to Oklahoma block. So this one is the one that you can see on the far right next to the hearts. This one's made up of 4 patches and plain squares. I don't know if you can, there's 4 plain squares and 5 4 patches. I'm going to show you how to make the 4 patches and we're going to assemble the block together. So notice I haven't done a lot of pressing as I go, and the reason I don't do a lot of pressing as I go is finger pressing doesn't warp it at all, whereas as soon as you put an iron, especially a steam iron on something, you sort of, there is a risk that you could distort a piece, whereas with finger pressing there is no risk.